Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your studies. You do your study? Yes, very good. You do your work. You do your small work. You do arrange your toys, arrange your clothes. Very nice. Now you are arrange yourself, your things. Okay, your toys, आपके जो खिलौने हैं, आपके क्लॉथ्स, आपके जो कपड़े हैं, नैपकिन्स हैं, आपको खुद अरेंज करना है एंड प्लेस इट इन प्रॉपर. ओके, उनको प्रॉपरली प्लेस्ड करके जहां भी आप रखते हैं वहां रखना है with the help of your parents. Okay, so now before start our study we say thank you God. All are join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Om Astoma Sadgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Now rub your hands and apply it on your eyes like this. Now get ready for study. Now first of all you tell me what is your school name. What about your school? Name of your school, name of your class. Tell me the answer. Yes, my school name is Gokul Das Public School, Khargone. And I am in LKG class. I am in LKG class. And my name is, you say your name. My mother's name is, you say your mother's name. My father's name is, say your father's name. Like this. Okay. So, daily you start the small conversation with योर पेरेंट्स. आप आपकी मम्मी की हेल्प से कर सकते हो या फिर मैम से भी पूछ सकते हो ना. अभी मैम पूछ रहे हैं, आप आंसर करो तो आपका डेली हो जाएगा. डेली आप बोलोगे सारे सेंटेंस इन इंग्लिश. ओके, सो दिस इज द योर इंट्रोडक्शन. नाउ वी आर स्टार्ट आवर सेशन. विच पीरियड इज गोइंग ऑन? मैथ. विच पीरियड इज गोइंग ऑन? मैथ पीरियड इज गोइंग ऑन. एंड टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट numbers from numbers from 41 to 50. Now you numbers. Now you write the number from 41 to 50. How many times? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last is 10. And upside you write it down the place values. Three times you have to write the numbers from 41 to 50. Okay, so write it down the heading numbers from 41 to 50. Then write it down the place value. How many times? 3 times. And start right from 4141. 4141. 4141. Where is 4141? Here is 4141. This the number number is 4141. Write it down, 4141. Write it down, 4141. All of you write. First of all, 4 and then write it down 1. Then next is 4 to 42. 4 to 42. Look at the number 4 to 42. This is the 4 to 42. 4 to 42. Then after 42, which number will come? 4 3 43. 4 3 43. All of you write 41 42 43. Then write it down. After 43, 4 4 44. You write same number in both the blocks. 4 4 44. Then after 44, 4 5 45. Write it here, 4 5 45. So the numbers are 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Write it down. First to complete this, then start next. 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45. Write it down. Write it fast, all the numbers. Now next is 4 6 46. Look at the number 4 6 46 and write it down. 4 6 46. Then after 46, these numbers 4 7 47. You see the numbers 4 7 47. So write it down, 4 7 47. Then after 47, 4 8 48. Write it down, 4 8 48. After 48, 4 9 49. Write it down, 4 9, and at last, the last is 5 0 50. 5 0 50. Write it down, 5 0 50. From 41 to 5 0 50. And revise again. 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, and 5 0 50. So this time numbers are writing down. 41 to 50. And these are the place values. So now start once again 41 to 50. Are you ready? Complete this line. The next line is 4141. Once again 4141. Here is 4141. Here is 4141. Write it down. 4141. 4141. Next number is 4 to 42. Where is 4 to 42? Here is 4 to 42. See this number 4 to 42 and same as write it down 4 to 42. The next is 4343. Now where is 4343? 43. Look here. And same as write it down 4343. Now where is 4444? 4444. Like same number 4444. Then where is 4545? Look here and write it down 4545. Complete this 41 to 45. Complete this fast. Okay, after 45, 46, 4646. Write it down 4646, 4646. And after 4747. Where is 47? 4747. Then after 47, 4848. Sorry. 4848. Write it down 4848. Then 4949 and 5050. So numbers from 41 to 50, write it down like this. Okay. Now once again you write it down 41 to 50. Repeat after me. 4141, 4242, 4343, 4444, 4545, 4646, 4747, 4848, 4949 and 5050. Complete this 41 to 50. Complete it. Okay, so this is lecture for numbers from 41 to 50. You see the number, all the number and write it down in your math notebook. 41 to 50, how many times? 3 times. 3 times you have to write 41 to 50 in your math notebook. Okay, all are complete your work? All are complete your work? Okay, so now my lecture is over. Now we will meet in your next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.